Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special mini brands haul and we're opening the fridge. So let's get started and see what's inside. Here we are. So I've got this finally open. And boy, they really wrapped this one up tight. And we have more plastic. Wonderful. Let's see if we can get this one on the bottom. And having short nails I don't think really helps either. And I haven't seen these in stores, believe it or not. I know you can get them in Walmart. When I was in the US, I thought I could see them in Target and that, and I didn't see these over there either. But we don't have them in Walmart where I live, and I also don't have the balls of the food to put in the refrigerator. So I got this one off of Marketplace. Okay, so let's open up our freezer. Isn't that cute? I think I got it upside down here. There's the fridge. And we have 1, 2, 3 packages. And we have our little instruction book here. And we have our light. And if I am mistaken here, yep, it turns into our LED light as well for when we cure the resin on some of the foods. So that's really cute. I'm just going to shut that off. And there's our freezer section with the little drawers. Really cute. So let's go ahead and open up our bags. So we're going to open up our first bag here and see what's inside. Okay, and this looks like the little egg container for inside the fridge. And we have some shelves as well. And our little drawers to go inside as well, the fridge. Bag number 2. We have, it looks like some resin here. It's called jelly glue. Oh, and it comes with the jelly mold. That is cute. We're going to make a little jelly mold, and we have the silicone mold here. That is adorable. And what else do we have in here? That's it for that one. And this one should contain our magnet and another item. Oh, we have a little orange slice there that popped out. We have a plate. We have our tongs. And what else do we have? We have a few more of our orange slices here. Aren't they adorable? Look how cute that is. Wow. So this is going to be our resin for the mold. And then once we make this, and we're going to cure it inside the fridge. And then we'll add the little orange slices. And we'll come back and see what it looks like. And I forgot this other bag here, which has our little scoop. Aw, it has a can of Olipop. Very sweet. And we have our first magnet, which is the watermelon. Very cute. So we'll put that on our fridge right there. And then we'll come back and I'll show you the mold. So I managed to get the drawers on the side and the spot where the eggs go. And we have our can of pop there. And now for the jelly mold. Okay, so we have our mold. We have our oranges. We have our resin. And we have the lid to go on top after we make it. So we're going to go ahead and take the resin. And we're just going to put this like so. So we're going to take our orange slice and drop it in. Grab the next one. We're just going to go like this instead. And we're just going to place these. So we're going to just continue. And this stuff is very sticky. It does not want to come out very easily. So I've just put the jelly mold in my LED lamp. I'm not using the fridge one. Other viewers have said that it takes 30 minutes for it to cure. So my lamp is a lot quicker, so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, we have our mold here, and I'm just gonna pull the sides away and see how well this comes out on our plate. Oh, that looks so cute. Look at that. You can barely see the oranges in it, but they're there. Really cute. And then we're going to put our little lid on there, and look how adorable that is. I love it. And we still have the mold, so we can use other resin for making more molds. That is gorgeous. I love it. So let's go ahead and put that in our fridge. Here you have it. We have our orange jelly mold with our Olipop in strawberry vanilla. And we also have our mold left over so that we can make more jelly molds. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, bye for now.
Ma, can you grab me another beer?
There's nothing left.
Dang.